Hey, good morning everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and that's Chichay, and today is October 6, 2019, the first day of the rest of our lives. There is an all-day brownout here in Dumaguete, starting at 6 a.m. and ending at 5 p.m. So we're heading off to Bohol. We're going to Tagbilaran right now for 2 nights, 3 days, so join us for the experience of Bohol. It's a magical place with tarsiers and a zip line. And just so you know, Chichay's mad at me. She's tompo right now. Because I jokingly told the check-in guy at Ocean Jet, I said, I don't know her, I don't want to sit next to her. And then I pretended that I was at a different seat. I said I was in 23A when I was actually in 24A, sitting right next to her anyways. So even though I told her the truth, she's still mad at me. All right, the rain is lifted, and this is our conveyance over to Bohol. This is Ocean Jet 888, trip 8. And we will be taking this mighty vessel to Bohol, which is over there somewhere, lost in the clouds. So we're at McDonald's and they got one of those new kiosk machines. And the Philippines isn't quite ready for kiosks. Everybody's confused.
I make rings out of coins. Yeah, not
coins.
I'm making a sample because all my sample they buy earlier, so I don't have to show finished product. I make rings in less than 20 minutes. No machine, no fire, no electricity making. I came from Boracay. I am the only one ring artist in Boracay. I've been doing for 19 years. And now I'm here because the rules in Boracay is changing. Did not allow all the artists in the beach.
Okay, one of the things you got to deal with here in Alona Beach is a lot of street vendors, and they're rather aggressive. Okay, so we have arrived at our destination. This is Alona Beach. It's on Bohol. It's not too far from the new Bohol International Airport, which I just showed earlier. And these are our luxury accommodations. This is the Hayahay Resort and Restaurant. If you book in person, it's $3,600. If you book online, it's about $2,500. And out front here, they have a little restaurant, and it looks like a gift shop in the back. But we're gonna go upstairs. Oh, and there's also, I love this. This reminds me of my childhood up in Maine. We had a house on a lake, and we had the buckets. And Mom and Dad were very insistent on washing your feet. And it's got a covered walkway going up to reception. Little reception area and reception. Very nicely appointed. And now we got to check in. So we'll do a little tour of the room a little bit later. All set? All right. All right, so before we do the actual tour, the outside of Hayahay is, I thought it was concrete, it was just textured concrete to look like it, but this is actually all coconut bark that they take off the coconut trees and they cement on and then lacquer. So the entire exterior of Hayahay is coconut bark, which is pretty cool. Oh, there's also drying racks because you do some swimming while you're here. Here's our drying rack. All right, so let's take a quick tour of the accommodations. This is home. This is home. Okay, so it looks like we got a king-size bed. I'm not sure what that is. It's hard to measure, but and we got 2 nightstands, which is very nice. They got art, and you guys know how I love art. We got a ceiling fan, and you have a Samsung aircon, which is kicking right now. That's outside, obviously. You got a little sitting area right here if you need to do some sitting. 2 nice chairs. All the furniture is of good quality. It's nice. Here's our modem for our Wi-Fi. I haven't tested that yet. I'll test that in a little bit. Little makeup area for the people that need makeup. Storage area for your storage needs. And a TV. Not a big one. I don't think we're going to be watching much TV. And another storage area over here. You get a couple complimentary waters. You got the safe. You got a refrigerator with beer. Yes. And got a bathroom. CR. It's got a hot water heater. And here's the water pressure, because usually people want to know about the water pressure. Water pressure is very good because they got tanks on the roof. So, good for Hayahay. Hotels really love these AEG water heaters. I gotta remember that the next time I go water hunting. It's got a Western toilet. It's very nice. Toilet paper, you know, all the other stuff you need in a bathroom. And you need to check yourself out. You see all the weight I've lost. Look how much weight I've lost. It's ridiculous. I'm down to 190 pounds. Yeah. Intermittent fasting. So this is Hayahay. We're gonna test the internet in a little while. But these are our accommodations for the next 2 nights. What do you think?
I really like this place.
It's pretty nice, right? Pretty nice. Alright. So isn't that, and that's Chicha and oh, henna tattoos.
No.
Oh no, it's not good.
Yeah.
Don't get it because it leaves marks on the bed sheets which they can't get out. You have to buy it. So we'll see you next time. Here's rules on my Philippine dreams. Hey, one of the cool things about Hayahay is it has a roof deck. And we're gonna check out the roof deck now. It is about 4 p.m. It's starting to cool off. And it's a nice day here in Alona Beach. This is the roof deck. They got chaise lounges. They got AstroTurf on the roof. They have a fountain, but it's not operating yet. And they got some chaise lounges under some rain cover. All the dive and island hopping boats are out there. We're not gonna do any island hopping. We're just doing a tour of the interior tomorrow. And it's a nice day. And it's definitely cooling off because earlier it was way too hot. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down now and take some footage along the beach. Chicha's gonna take some photographs. And later on we're gonna go swimming. And then after that we're gonna take a shower and go out to eat. It's an exciting life. Another day in paradise. Whoops, I just tripped over some tape. My intrepid photographer. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.